exercise this morning because I had leg cramps again about 4 o'clock. The honor of putting this monument is not on me. It is on most of you people over here who have supported this project from the ground up the past 8 years. I could not fathom the thanks that I would like to convey to you, but without you, the leaders from the different Filipino-American associations, or the simple layman who are supporting this, have put your faith and trust in this project, and more than anything else, you have put your trust with utmost integrity in my ability and the ability of the Dr. Josefi Rizal Monument Movement to go all beyond everything that is thrown to us. And this morning, we are proud to say, let me say first, in 2004, I said, we will make it happen. This is the same barong that I wear that time. It is the same barong that inspired me to steer the Filipino-American leaders. If that time I said, we will make it happen today, during the unveiling in the morning, and tonight, wherein this appreciation gala is dedicated to all of you, together we make it happen. I thank you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of the Dr. Josefi Rizal Monument Movement and the Filipino-American associations and all the benefactors who have supported this. I thank you very much, and I can guarantee you the books are open, each and every centavo, each and every dollar at the right venue, at the right place. Those people who have probably have some slight doubts, we don't harbor any feeling. The whole JPRMM doesn't harbor any feeling, but we are open to anything that you would like to see. So once again, I'm just an instrument of this project. I salute you all and I bow my heads. Without you, this project would have not materialized, and our foremost national hero would not be standing over there with all the pride that we are putting back in our Filipino legacy. Thank you and have a good evening.